What's up guys, welcome back or just welcome to the Street Strikers channel. Today I'm gonna show you another episode about Corvette. Let's skip the boring part and dive into the story. Come on! Второй день.
What's your height? 190 centimeters. Is it maximum legroom? No, I just did it for my comfort.
Прямо на вот, да? Короче, пока.
Showing my new Vette to my neighbors. They have a good view now.
So today I'm gonna show you Corvette cold start and everybody will be thinking on these guys, on the Hammer, because looks like this Hammer doesn't have catalytics at all. Somebody stole it. 7 a.m. so I don't need будильник. How to say? I don't know. Будильник. I don't need alarm. Many bloggers love exhaust like this, like I just showed you, and you know, as we can see. Be careful with that. And as you could hear, it's hard to understand what's the sound your engine produces. Okay guys, we just stopped by to take a look on our drift. You know, I try to start this American bucket. We just stop it and it's done. We cannot start it up again. So now we try to change our battery. Where is plus? Right here. Unfortunately, we have only one key. So
I'm not sure this battery work or no. But in my key have battery works.
I'm shitting my pants because there are a lot of cups over around this place. You know, I think this is battery not for this key. Give me a different battery, please. This is 2032. Okay, let's try this piece of shit.
Maybe he know what's going on.
Okay, I don't know what happens. I just put back my original battery, wait for a couple seconds and ticking a little bit. Start knob. After that, it start working. You know, when I was trying to start engine, it was some clicking sound like from relays. But relays, it sounds like relays. We have relays here, not there, but it should be there. So Rasul, don't kick my mozgi ECU unit.
Like this?
Like this. No, don't do it, bro.
Okay, I not
Okay,
touch it
don't-
like this, okay?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay, we have 2 peaks. And now we can go. You know, guys, let's take a look. This is front tires and this is rear tires. I think, I don't know how to say it correctly. Rear tires is much better condition and bigger protector than front ones. Rasul, take a look. What we was racing, sorry. Do you still want to drive together?
Of course.
No problem, bro. Repeat one more time.
За руля не сяду.
He won't drive again.
Yes. I know.
I mean,
I don't
he,
want drive.
He don't want to drive behind the wheel. Okay. So you have C5 or you had C5?
C5.
You have C5.
C5.
C5 06?
My son will show you pictures.
Okay.
Dude, 6-speed.
Yeah.
I love your car.
Thank you. It was my dream.
Nice.
It doesn't work.
Nice,
let's put it on
bro.
first gear. Handbrake doesn't work.
Oh,
It's
the
okay.
handbrake? Oh, yeah, mine either. Hey, Ryan, tell him my handbrake don't work
Hi.
that good.
No.
Show a picture of my car.
Yeah, that's my one.
Show a picture of my car. Dude, this is the C6. The better car. Fuck, dude, this seat's nice. Yeah, my handbrake, same as yours. Fuck it, no bueno.
Is it 06 or just regular?
C5.
06 or not? Just regular C5.
Nope.
I mean,
It's the year before this car.
yeah. It's like
It's a monster.
C506. It was C506 LS6 motor.
This is the-
6 speed.
This is a better car. This is better than my car.
Yeah, this is next one.
This is, oh yeah, dude.
Yes,
Oh.
I thought about C5, but C6 was my dream.
Do you love
I
your
need to
car?
Yes, I love it so much.
Oh, the motor in the back.
No, it's on the back too. A little bit.
I have, I mean, I got like, I have cams, camshafts,
If you have
and a
cams,
clutch,
if you have cams, I think your car is faster than this one.
bigger brakes.
Что скажешь?
I live right up the street.
Что, поехали смотреть его Corvette, он что показывать будет?
Really?
His English a little bit.
Very little bit.
Very little bit better.
Hey, you want to follow us?
Yeah.
Let's go to my house. You just look at my car, and we'll take Corvette pictures.
Yeah, of course. Okay guys, we just met that guy. This is STI. We just met them. We just met that guys. They are father and son, and father told me that he has C5 Corvette, and right now follow them to take a look on it. That C5, what this guy was talking about.
A little bit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we can do
No,
it like
right there. See that truck? That's our drip.
You need to shoot video for Sharapudin.
Dude, we gotta hook up, man. We gotta get some numbers.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah,
problem.
Yeah, fuck.
We
I'm gonna
can.
give my son go. In the future, call me.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Watch that truck fast.
Yeah, we need to take a look.
That's a dopey truck. Blacktop motor.
This or that?
What is black
Throttles? 4 throttles?
Yeah, two distributors. Oh,
Yeah, it needs to be changed.
what tires he got?
I will drift on it, so I don't care about tires. I need.
Dude, I should have gave you my tires. They call that asshole.
Yes.
Hold
I
your
don't
radiator in
have.
place.
Oh, it's pretty same. I mean, it's not bolt on
Pretty much
for.
close,
yes,
right?
yes. And this one, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I see. I
Yeah,
see.
you gotta have
yes, now I see. I gotta have it.
Yeah, you need. Yeah.
Yes.
Otherwise, this
Yeah.
is just like loose.
It's about airflow. It's not enough airflow in the radiator.
Right.
Now I understand what you were talking about.
Yeah, I love your car, dude.
But I think for gettin, I need to modify my oil pan 100%. Russell, what do you want to say?
I won't say I'm hungry, very, very hungry.
No, I'm about these numbers. This.
It's difference for you owner Corvette
Okay.
and you owner Mercedes.
500
Difference
500 people
because Mercedes little bit fast between
and
Corvette.
comfortable.
Yes.
Yes, so don't buy Corvette, right?
No, you can buy Corvette for only drift. No,
Don't
no.
buy Corvette, buy Mercedes.
You can buy Corvette for drift and fast driving, but for relaxed drive and long driving, do you need buy Mercedes? Mercedes.
It's not funny, dude.
Old Mercedes, new Mercedes, fucking shit.
Piece of shit.
Yes.
Если на картах возле твоей машины сидят, значит лампочки у тебя выкручивают. Там прикольно, там даже пистон эти можно отщелкнуть. Something goes wrong. Wrong way. We try to steal Corvette фара. Okay, finally we got it out. Left headlight, but Alexei telling us now that it doesn't make sense that took it out. I have крючок. We can use крючок touch this mount. Here we have one more interesting car. This is крючок, you know? Okay, we almost done with our headlight, and here we have a Porsche Cayenne situation. You know? I think you know what is it. Oh, my лакокрасочное покрытие will be very, very bad after this фара fixing. So Alexei almost done with our фара. This is piston. Отсюда. Нет, не отсюда. We have one extra piston. We need to save it for one more attempt. And now Mammoth, elephant, all good. Now it definitely looks like salvage title car. Previous owner mount these headlights, so I think that because of us, many people stay on emergency lights just exactly on the road. Okay, we done.
Включай проверять.
Open Prius trunk. I think it's the same shit, no? What do you think? Have you seen any регулировки attachments? Yes, it looks nice, just like Prius headlights. I have two same cars with same problems and same color. Hopefully they will not kill my glass again on Corvette.
I have humor, короче.
Че, все? На этом закончилось предложение?
Да, распаковка Prius.
These pants earn money and that pants spend money. And you know, this car earn money for that car, for 06 car, but it's not 06. Stas, let's say hi. Hello. Stas has a lot of corches and my window now. And right now, so long story short, some faggots crashed my window and stole my tools. Thanks God, not all of them. And now Rasul make выковыривать old pieces of glasses, take it off. I в душе don't know how to remove this cartridge, but Rasul today went pick and pull and big pick and pull.
Big pick.
Big pick pull. And that's it. And now we have almost new glass. We didn't film how Rasul. It doesn't matter. The point is, glass even here.
I think it happened because I went to ATM to get cash for Corvette buying. I think they decided I left my cash in the car. I have my friend with same situation. He came by to Copart and find his car window broken when coming back from the Copart's office.
Думали, что деньги в машине оставил.
Do you think they tracked you? I think it was easiest thing if it was like trot, because ATM is across the road.
Hello, my friends. This episode starts right now. How to recognize that the drifter, a drifter, okay. That's how. Pretty sticky, like office rubber thing to delete pencil rides. You know what I mean? Let's try this one on the Highway 9. I'm joking. Of course, on the track. Okay, guys, and something else. Today I'm gonna show you how to lose parking space. Okay, so I'm gonna buy drift tires. Today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday, after tomorrow it's Saturday. So after tomorrow morning I have plans for a drift alignment, tires change for my one more, how to say, set of wheels. And then Sunday we're going visit Sonoma Raceway for our drift. Let's take a look at the tires right now. 18s, right? Okay. Have you tried it? No?
No.
Okay, as I understood, voila, I just got two, not new, but pretty good for drifting, you know. So right now I'm gonna do nothing, but tomorrow, I guess Saturday, more real date, my tire installation, and yes, we're gonna go drifting for our almost new, as you could see. So let's see. Okay, just brought my wheels and tires to this tire shop. These guys told me $80 for two wheels. Hopefully they didn't charge me extra for steam valves or something like that. Okay guys, so this is price and got me shocked. $80, I'm not joking. This is my wheels. I think it's okay, but I won't come back. They told me even if I steam valves, I don't need a balance, the price are the same. Okay, good guys, Pete boys, if I pronounce it right. I have two tires installed on my wheels for free. I just came for it to pick it up, and he asked me what car is it. I told him it's Corvette C6. I think he liked I'm full of emotions because they neighbors right here charged me $80 for two tires, and this guy just did it for free. It's awesome. Yeah, this is America. That day is better than I thought. So now I'll try to put that wheel spacers on my Corvette. Even if we have tiny oil leak, where is it? Nowhere. I think it's fixed by itself. Okay, we still have good oil level. I think we're good now, but I still need to fix oil leak. Okay guys, checking fluids. Clutch fluid and the most important fluid. I think it's good enough. Even if we have tiny oil leak, C6 Corvette, you know, this is woods. This is aftermath of woods drift. So, you know, боевое крещение, we call it in Russian. Subscribe, don't switch to other channel. It will be much more interesting. Ну что, ехали, мы ехали. И, блядь, приехали. Как ты думаешь, это финиш? She's done calling from the baby, and I can see her now. Вот Америка. Мы тут, значит, это расчищаем. И никто, расчистив одну полосу, быстрее всего надо куда-то доехать, никто никуда не едет. Все ждут. Даже те, кто не помогает, они ждут. Когда вы спрашиваете, скучаешь ли ты по России? Конечно же, блядь, да. Okay, our video is ending. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you were enjoying it. If you like the subscribe button, see you soon. Bye bye.